Welcome back to our channel, Little Learners. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to learn all about fascinating birds. So, put on your binoculars and let's begin our bird watching journey. Wow, look at these beautiful creatures. Birds are incredible animals with unique features that make them true masters of the sky. As you can see, birds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. From the tiniest hummingbird to the largest eagle, each one is special in its own way. Let's take a closer look at a bird's body. Their beaks are like multi-purpose tools, specially adapted for their diets. Feathers are incredible. They not only help birds fly, but they also provide insulation to keep them cozy and can be eye-catching during courtship displays. Listen carefully. Each bird has a unique voice, and their melodious songs fill the air with music. Birds are skilled architects. They build nests using twigs, leaves, and other materials to protect and nurture their precious eggs. Some birds are world travelers. They fly thousands of miles during migration, seeking better weather and food. Just like us, birds have diverse tastes. Some prefer seeds, while others love feasting on delicious nectar. Did you know? The hummingbird is the only bird that can hover in midair, like a tiny helicopter. Unfortunately, some of our feathered friends are facing challenges due to habitat loss and pollution. It's up to all of us to protect them and their homes. What an incredible journey we've had exploring the world of birds. Remember, the more we learn about them, the more we can help them thrive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning. Bye. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures on our channel. Don't miss out on more fun and educational content. Click here to subscribe and check out these videos for more learning fun.